Hey everyone, I'm Leo from Everyday Tech. So over the past few days, I've been developing a software tool. Its main purpose is to help DJI device users quickly back up content from TF cards to their computers. Let me tell you why. I needed to build this tool. Whether you're a drone pilot or an action camera user, we constantly need to copy content off our TF cards. This frees up space for new footage. But there are several pain points here. Let me break them down for you. The first issue? File structure is a complete mess. For example, let me open two cards side by side. On the left, we have an Osmo Action TF card. On the right, an Avata 2 TF card. The folder naming conventions are totally inconsistent. It's labeled DCIM/100MEDIA. But over here, it starts with DCIM/DJI_001. Come on, DJI. How hard is it to standardize naming conventions? The second problem is cluttered file organization. You've got LRV files, MP4 files, JPEG files, and a bunch of other stuff. Same thing over here. You'll even see .srt files and .thm files. What are all these files? Right? Which ones do I actually need to back up? Which ones can I skip? Every time you have hundreds of files mixed together, finding specific content becomes super time consuming. It just wastes so much precious time. So based on these problems, and since there's no existing solution on the market, I decided to build this DJI TF Card Copier. Now let me show you what this tool can actually do for us. First, it automatically detected both cards. Pretty cool, right? Here's our card information. The TF card names. This one's the Avata 2. This one's the Osmo Action. And over here, we can see the used space and total capacity for each card. Everything's crystal clear, so which files actually need backing up and which ones don't. The program has already done the filtering for you. Photos and high-resolution video content are definitely what you want to back up. What we're talking about here includes file formats like JPEG and DNG. DNG is DJI's RAW format. For video formats, mainly MP4 and MOV. Those two types. Now, other formats like .lrv. Fall into a different category. These are low-resolution proxy videos. You generally don't need to back up these. Same with subtitle files, SRT files, and thumbnail files below. You can skip backing up all of these. All right. Once we've clarified this, I don't need to dig through dozens or hundreds of files anymore. I just check these two main categories of high-quality files. Then I choose a backup destination folder. Right? So where should we back up? Typically, we back up to external drives or NAS storage. Let me create a folder called DJI Camera. I'll make a new directory, DJI Camera. Perfect. Now I'll select these two file categories from the Avata 2. And then I click Backup. Watch this. Now it's directly copying files to our target folder we just created. Here's the current progress. See? We can monitor the progress in real time. Of course, you can also cancel, if you need to. Let me cancel this for now. It gives me a summary. Great. Now let me open this directory. After opening the final backup directory, here's what you'll discover. The structure looks like this. First, it creates a top-level directory. It builds two subdirectories for me. While backing up, it organizes everything automatically. First, it tells me which device captured the content. Then under each device folder, it organizes by shooting date. Right? This kind of organization saves me tremendous amounts of time. All content shot on the same day gets grouped together. This makes it super convenient for searching or dragging files directly into video editing software. Extremely convenient. Here's another cool feature. Watch this. I can click refresh at this point. After refreshing it, it shows me that two photo files have already been backed up. But there are still several video files that haven't been backed up yet. For files that are already backed up, we can use one-click safe cleanup to safely delete them from the card. Delete them completely. Now, if you don't delete them right away, that's fine too. Next time you shoot, during backup, it will skip files that are already backed up. For files that haven't been backed up, it will ask for confirmation before deletion, making sure you really want to delete them. All right, let me summarize. This little software tool can help us save significant time. It can distinguish between files that must be backed up versus files that are optional or completely unnecessary to backup. Additionally, it organizes files automatically during backup by shooting device and date, categorizing all your content. Furthermore, it can safely clean up already backed up data from your TF card with one-click cleanup. So that covers the main features of this software. I'm currently offering free downloads to viewers of this channel. You can find the link below this video or check the pinned comment for download instructions. If you encounter any issues, drop a comment and let me know. I hope this tool can be helpful to everyone. Thanks for watching.